Welcome to the Entrepreneur Show. Most people are socialized and trained to concentrate on managing their weaknesses rather building on their strengths. Don't be that person. Instead, position yourself for success by developing your talent and leveraging your skills instead of trying to overcome your weaknesses. The more you use your strength, the more capable you become at being your best. So, the four words you need to remember are play to your strengths. Marcus Buckingham, an author and a strength strategist, said, strengths are not activities you're good at, they're activities that strengthen you. A strength is an activity that before you're doing it, you look forward to doing it. While you're doing it, time goes by quickly and you can concentrate. After you've done it, it seems to fulfill a need of yours. You can significantly increase your chances of success in life and business if you narrow your focus on what you are great at. This is a belief that sometimes gets lost, as many people focus on achieving too much, gaining too many skill sets that they aren't excellent at just one thing. Instead, they need to focus on their strengths to make themselves indispensable. Begin to narrow your focus today and force the best out of you by concentrating on your core competence. Keep in mind, you can't play to your strengths if you don't have an idea about what makes you unique. Take some time to identify the one skill that makes you better than anyone in your team. The best way to determine this is to figure out what you are passionate about. One way to do this is to ask yourself what you would like to do during your free time at work. If your current position doesn't allow you to pursue this interest, start by making small but significant changes that can get you closer to what you are best at. Take courses in your spare time that do not require physical presence. Once you are able to enhance it, you can communicate with your employers and help them to understand how to get the best out of you. It's a win-win situation. You do what makes you indispensable and happy, and at the same increases your level of productivity. Your success depends on leveraging your skill and talent in every possible situation. Give your skill a priority in your schedule. Nurture it and make the most of it. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to drop a like and press bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and comment which topic you'd like to see next video on. Till then, do whatever you want to do, guys. See you soon.